Hi there. How are you? Yes. Did you know this is called a pear? Yes, it's called a pear. I know you think it's avocado, but it's also called a pear. So keep watching as we will show you more on the avocado fruit, or better yet, the pear fruit. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Monday Medz. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, this is our first official video on our new channel. If you're new here, definitely like, share, and subscribe. In the description section of this video, you will definitely see the link to subscribe, or you can press that subscribe button right down there. So yes, thank you so much for all your support, all your subscription, and definitely I have to say this right out. So yes, thank you Stacy and Faith and for being two of the first subscribers. We have 13 subscribers so far, and guys, let us build this channel. This channel is yours. It's not mine. It's yours. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to switch over to Monday Medz having its own channel. So this channel is yours. And I am Tanisha Lawrence, your health educator. So yes, today we are in for some great surprises, some great treats in Monday Medz. Yes, this new channel brings a breath of fresh air. Yes, I know you did enjoy Monday Medz on Tanisha Lawrence channel. But yes, Monday Medz will take on a greater meaning, a greater leash on life. And so yes, continue to watch as we will give you information not just for everyday living, but also to prepare you for the time or the life to come. And so yes, today we are going to be taking a step back or a step forward from the Transplanting 101 series. I know you did enjoy it and you are enjoying them. And yes, if you have not seen the previous videos from Monday Medz on Tanisha Lawrence channel, definitely check in the playlist. I put them all there for you, so you can definitely check them out. And yes, check them out and get caught up with what we've been doing in the Transplanting 101 series and also in the Country Living series. And yes, welcome to our backyard. Welcome to our backyard. So today we will be talking about the avocado. Yes, the avocado. We will do part 1 and part 2. So today we will show you the fruit and we'll tell you some benefits of it. And next week we will go into, similar to the In My Backyard series we did, we will go into some of the benefits and uses next week. So you see me holding my picnic basket. My husband, when he saw it, he was like, is that a picnic? Actually, it's a picnic basket for carrying. Yes, it looks like a baby carrier, right? And as we talk about baby, avocados, if you're pregnant, avocados are very good for your womb. As I promised you some time ago on Monday Medz on my channel, I did promise you that I'll talk about avocado. And yes, I like to fulfill my promises. And so yes, avocado is good for your womb, ladies. If you wanna conceive, yes, avocado is good for your womb. Better yet, let me cut this avocado better so you see. And you see how it looks? What does it look like? Honey, can you tell me? Can you tell them? Yes. You're viewing, you're videoing.
A womb.
It looks like the womb, right? Yes, it does look like the womb. And so, it is good for your womb, ladies. It's filled with fat. It's also good for your skin. And I'll put the knife down. And we'll put the avocado down. Definitely we'll be eating that later. And my wonderful husband gave me this great idea. And I will be sharing it with you. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's not a waste. You eat it and also put it on your skin. Yes, it's great for your skin. It's a good mask. It's a good moisturizer. Yes, I know. And you just put it on your skin and let it stay on your skin for about half an hour. Yes, you do it in a mask. I know. It's straight from the tree, from the ground to my face. Yes. And as we talk about avocado, it's also called alligator pear. And I wonder why, as Jamaicans, we call it pear. And it's interesting because of how it's shaped. It's shaped like the American pear, and they call it alligator pear. And so yes, we call it pear in Jamaica, and we also it's also called avocado. And yes, it's very good. It's good with it's filled with fats, protein. Yes, it does have a lot of enzymes in it. And next week we will definitely do part 2, and we'll show you more about avocado and the benefits. And yes, you want to put some on your neck. Whatever you put on your face, definitely put it on your neck, and also do it in an upward motion. Yes, and you want to do that in an upward motion. And of course, don't forget the nose. And yes, I'm not using a mirror, but my videographer, honey, is showing me that yes, I have not done it all. As you know, I don't have a mirror right here, but yes, it's good for your skin, ladies and gentlemen, and you will feel a tightening of your face. Yes, that's okay. Definitely let it tighten, and then you rinse it off. Because it's fatty, you definitely want to rinse it off with some warm water. You can use regular water, but it will take a while. All right, so yes, as we wrap up Monday Meds today, I want to remind you of this very powerful promise in the Bible. As Paul said in Philippians 4, verse 13, he said, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So no matter what you're faced with today, remember that you, yes, you can do all things through Jesus Christ who gives you strength. And so be encouraged, and I pray you'll have a wonderful week, and God be with you.